Yes, exactly.
Pasi Piglet aria ni athukuru wa The Banda School nio matongoririe hari kuthia mbeca nyingi makiria ikereka-ini riria mirongoria mahenya maya ma The Hog Charge mwaka uyu thutha wa kuthia kimanjika gia ciringi 302 na 500. Sikia. Ini mzito. Amesibiana. Kuringana na muhaririria munene na mburu maratanyaga kugania mbeca itanyihire milioni 4 na iria ihuthagirwo hari kugacirithia maria maturigiciirie ta uria aratariria.
The Hog Charge was created to raise money for the Rhino Ark, which is a charity that actually fences around Aberdeen National Park, which houses the main water sources of Kenya. We've also helped raise money towards building a fence around the Mau Forest and Mount Kenya regions and helping also the communities and wildlife in those areas.
Gukuruhanio kwa mathukuru ma mutaratara wa 844 ni undu weyonanirie o muthi o undu mwe na family citiganite maria matariho mwaka muthiru. Mahenya maya thengia wa kuhuthika kuthia mbeca makoragwo mari uteithio hari ciana kuona ni mamarutaga uhoro wa kunyitanira ta gikundi na ukorwo magiteithaniriria riria amwe maremererwo rugendo-ini ruru. Nayo mituki yaku kuhitukia migika-ini ino igakorwo giteithiriria timu yaku uthie na mbere na kuhotana kana gukinyiriria haria mararikiria. Nitwaranire na ciana imwe iria inyitire itemi.
Our last point when we were at checkpoint 4 going to checkpoint 5, we had to go into swamps and then we all fell and then we almost sank in the lake, but then we had to just walk our bikes all the way up and then we managed to finish.
Yeah, it was quite tough and challenging, but it was fun. Everyone's helped each other and we got through to the finish line on time.
Ahotani ikundi-ini itiganite ni matugirwo na trophies na iheo itiganite. Mathako maya mekuharirio na gutafanio ni kambuni ya Brookside na unyitanĩri na Peponi School. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.